Are you tired of people saying you're too quiet in Discord? Fix your low microphone volume in under 5 minutes with these proven settings. I know how frustrating that is. You're speaking at a normal volume, but everyone keeps asking you to repeat yourself. Or worse, they just ignore you and talk over you. It makes you want to stop talking altogether. But the good news is, this is almost always a simple settings issue and not a problem with your actual microphone. So let's get this sorted out right now. Here's the plan. We'll start by adjusting Discord's built-in mic settings. Then check your system audio levels to make sure you're getting maximum volume out of your setup. It's going to be quick and painless. So first things first, open up Discord. In the bottom left corner, right next to your username and avatar, you'll see a little gear icon. That's the User Settings button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're in the Settings menu, look down the list on the left-hand side. You're looking for the section labeled App Settings. Under that, find Voice and Video and click on it. This is where all the magic happens for your microphone. And here's the really important part. At the top of this window, you'll see a drop-down menu for Input Device. Discord is pretty good at auto-selecting your microphone, but sometimes it grabs the wrong thing, like your webcam mic or your headset secondary mic. Make sure the correct microphone is selected here. If you're not sure which one is yours, just say a few words into your mic and watch the little green bar below it. If it lights up when you speak, you've got the right one. Now, let's turn up the volume. Right below that Input Device dropdown, you'll see the Input Volume slider. This is likely what's been making you sound so quiet. Discord sometimes sets this way lower than it should be by default. Go ahead and drag that slider to the right. I usually recommend starting at around 80%. You don't always want to slam it to 100% because that can introduce some background noise or a tiny bit of distortion. But 80 to 90% is a sweet spot that gives you plenty of volume without hurting your audio quality. And that is genuinely it for the Discord side of things. One quick change in one place and you should already sound much louder to your friends. But if you want to make sure your system is also doing its job, it's worth taking 30 seconds to check your computer's own sound settings. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon in your system tray and open Sound Settings. Then go to the Input section, select your microphone, and make sure that volume slider is as high as it can go without peaking. On a Mac, you do the same thing in System Settings under Sound and Input. That's the whole process. 2 quick checks and you're done. You've gone from being barely audible to having a clear, loud microphone that everyone can hear with no effort at all. Go ahead and test it out in a voice channel and let me know how it worked for you. Happy chatting!